Yo, what up, what up, what up? Welcome to Groovitate episode 11. We had to drop Angie Stone's rendition of the OJ's smash hit, The Backstabbers. We are rocking these Yo Lama sessions, just trying to open up the body here with static holds. Throwing in some shapes there of the Merkaba. A short session. Here we are with the Reflex revision of Ain't No Stoppin' Us Now. Now look at that screw face Lamaroc's got here. When he's really digging the beat, he's just got that funk face. Camp warning. Which sombrero am I going to wear today? I think we're going with the Lacoste. Really misplaced hat roll there, but the boy's happy. We went real extra with the editing on this video, guys, so I hope you enjoy. Doing my tita dance there. Now check out the shape. I'm leaning to my left there, and then switching it to the right now. I'm continuing on now on the right with some single double patterns. Yes, yes. There with the hip thrust. Rock with you, Michael Jackson styles. Hitting those certain bits that if you know it, just hit it, man. You see the smile on his face. Super elated Mr. Lamaroc here this morning. Tearing up a little bit. Hasn't had so much fun in his life. And now we're really loosening up. Here's some kind of vibe of looseness that I got from watching Soul Train. You know, that's like a really good source for like just seeing how people used to get down. And now hitting this familiar bass line, I'm doing some steps across with a spin, simple patterns, building it up, and then hitting that nice spot there. This is actually Maquale Idea by Pino Di Angio. Sampled also by Madison Avenue from Melbourne. We go in here into the push and pull party dance that was taught to us by Sugar Pop. And then I go to some Radio Taiso, which is movements I saw on old school footage of older people and younger people doing exercise in Japan as part of school. I'm really rocking it out to this track. We're doing some rock with you, Michael Jackson, sort of 8 flows. And I'm just, you know, I'm just treating this like I'm dancing at a party, you know? And I'm just using some basic gestures there to complement the lyrics, you know? Leaning forward, leaning back, and building up with the Shake-A-Leg. Back and forth, of course. Building it up. Boom! Put a bit of locking in there. Don't know the breakdown, but then I realized. Here we go. And doing some basic locking there, reminiscent of the old original lockers from the Carol Burnett show. With a hat toss. Goose! Chuck on the Baguio City sombrero on. Hey. Hey. So the thing about funk, guys, is it's crooked. Yeah, it's crooked. It's out there. It's meant to be like Outrageous. Got the penguin dance there. Sprinkle in some elements of locking. Oh, and he puts in the whip at Originator goes. Cha-cha, 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 cha-cha. Some cha-cha rhythms there. And I didn't realize there was no beat, but here it comes. Down to the Skeeter Rabbit. Da 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 da. And using those steps of a complete Skeeter Rabbit to hit the violins. It's gonna say you do the sack walk, but no, that's what you call the Scooby-Doo walk or Scooby walk. Chilling out a bit after a bit of an intense run there. Recouping. Doing some prancing. Doing some farmer steps there. And then changing the cadence of my movements now to single accents. Now I forget the name of the step. It's a variation of the box step. And I remember in my days teaching in Japan, I was like, what can I teach these kids that are different from what I've learned in locking is to do simple party steps like this and incorporate a technique like locking. And here I am doing some traditional Filipino dances. And just really trying to keep rocking with it. And here, smashing out the locking, combining it with the Spanish hustle. Just trying to get polyrhythmic with my style there. And you know, this is something that the original lockers used to do a lot, is mix up the steps. Check out my left and right swing there into the upstairs, downstairs. You know, like a lot of complete movements in locking actually. Now it would have been nice if there was a drum roll there, but look at the position it brought me to, and look at the variation of the Shake-A-Leg into the hat roll. Bit of an African spin there. Goose. I thought the beat was gonna drop, but it didn't. So you know, if you know the patterns of the music in 4s or 8s, you can kind of anticipate when it's gonna drop. And there, it dropped there. Shout out to the Lawang clan, wherever you are in the world. Now we're getting real loose, real relaxed. Trying to hit that last stretch. Really bouncing around now. My crystals there on my neck were actually disturbing me, my rhythm, because they were making their own sound. Oh, check this extra milli rock right here. But it works for my style of locking, you know, and rocking, and I'm combining all the elements together. And I guess it's from understanding the groove of rock dance, that apparently locking is a part of, according to Tony Basil on the Soul Train anniversary episode. You can really mix all these styles that involve or are part of the rock. Hey, we're wrapping it up there. And I hope you enjoyed the cardio session that is Groovitate episode 11. Thanks for watching.